Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take Honda Odyssey seats out. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will need a few basic tools, including a 14mm wrench or socket, and possibly a trim removal tool for plastic covers. Always prioritize safety and consider having a helper, as these seats can be quite heavy. Let's get started with the second row. To remove a second row outer seat, begin by lowering the head restraint to its lowest position. Next, slide the seat all the way to its rearmost position. Now, fold the seat back completely down. Locate and pull the lock release lever, then lift the rear of the seat. With the rear lifted, pivot the seat slightly upward to unhook the front from the floor. Carefully lift the seat out of the vehicle, remembering they are heavy. Removing the third row seats involves a few more steps. Start by raising the seat to its upright position. Gently remove the lower hinge covers, often with a trim tool. Then, stow the seat completely down. Now, remove the upper hinge covers and unbolt the upper hinge bolts, which are usually 14mm. Raise the seat upright again, remove the lower hinge bolts, and carefully lift the entire seat assembly out. Be mindful of its weight. When handling these heavy seats, always use proper lifting techniques to protect your back. Bend your knees, keep your back straight, and lift with your legs. Store the removed seats in a safe, dry place where they won't be damaged or become a tripping hazard. Remember to check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful deals. This book can truly change how you think about money. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.